Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix the NVIDIA app installation error code. The code may appear like so. Here's the way you can fix it. First thing you can try is to update your Windows. Just go right click on the Windows icon, then go on settings, then go under Windows Update. Here, check for updates. If there's an available update, download and install it. Restart your computer and see if it works. But if it doesn't work, then you can try to reinstall the drivers. To do that, just go on your Windows icon, type in Control Panel, and click on Uninstall a program. Here, we need to find the NVIDIA. And when you find the NVIDIA apps, uninstall all of them. After you do that, restart your computer. Then you have to go to your browser. Then type in NVIDIA. Open the first link. After you go here, go where it says drivers. Pick your specific graphics card that you have. Once you find it, then click on Find. When you find the driver, then you click on View and download and install it. You're done.